To disable touch and hold to edit lock screen feature in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find lock screen. Tap lock screen and then tap the blue on option next to touch and hold to edit to disable this option. When the switch turns gray, it means that this option is off. Now the touch and hold to edit lock screen feature has been disabled. However, when this option is disabled, you have to go to the lock screen menu in your phone setting when you need to do some customization for your lock screen, such as to change lock screen wallpaper, change lock screen app, and else. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.